So it's the last Miss McCann watch the one but then saying ya queen yana say baba or Benijuma side there. I think Europe we are one of the good people out here young it compared to other countries, or even let's say compared to our neighboring country like Germany.
For me, Mama about SBTV Africa. So, when you say about the social issues, entertainment at SBTV Africa. So, as soon as SBTV Sports, the SBTV Africa Foundation, let's help together. Segment we and our program we for the daily hustle worldwide. I'm more acquainted worldwide in the outside. I'm more acquainted with them. You didn't come on. Obeti my Ghana, ni obeti my African. More outside. No more they do here the internet. It's all internet there. Obeti me have joining be ne obi di nkomo. Then the flight number no DHW 1642 Concorde plane. Me kai mu some feeling rough. A turbo intercooler engine back 16. Now you say engine back 16 start use back plan said and not even say yes. Enyan say number 1. A flight every 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Number one. Then obi bisa me say na oba awon fe bi ultimate screen so ofruhi ehin no wo. And then the 4th time I'm a flight on the Concorde plane me cross Switzerland. I could didn't come out Switzerland. Now before I share say no tap sense me kan chamo say mo Europe, UK, Canada, US no. Mo download tap sense on phone so mo pese mo send sika ba fie e ba Ghana no. E ba busua wadofo bi ni ade download tap send. Oko Play Store or phone so an App Store out type tap send e ba na wa download dia. You hear any information kit will be now do promo code never be so promo code now type SBTV. So I tap phone don't say yes SBTV and I'm SBTV so now they download the app 90 download the tap send I'm send this camera fee sharp na me go straight na me ne obahimba se wakoto enkodi nkomo no off heavy me feeling the movement rough. So we more about SBTV Africa so boko there.
Boko.
Nice one. Miss me we pa na Switzerland is saying.
Boko, I wonder what happened. Yeah, you're fine.
Yes, you can more trust with you here. And I will be.
Yeah, just
Money you ma. Somebody you ma the any matter for more trust with you. Udi na say
Becky Quest. Rebecca
Quest.
Rebecca.
Okay, Rebecca Quest. Okay, AKA na Sewakoto no. Sewakoto dey heavy power. Me unyim sa anyim no to. Semanyi na tse ya. Sewakoto. Na kanye say ye bro. Sa won tin dey to sa anyim no ma o.
Minne Maya. I can't even.
Unyim sa won tin o.
I'm aware.
Anyway, Switzerland if aside now.
No, Zurich.
Oh, Zurich. Oh, I see. Nice one. Now, utu kwa kwa shawache?
I check a crumb fancy about 18 years.
Hey, 18 years. They only Donatello. Just say what time bogus no? From. Only from 18 years. And then there, over my experience in a life experience. Remember Switzerland, remember Ghana if aside now free.
Me a fancy me post.
Oh, Ottenena.
Boko.
Yeah, and a pay in Chichuya.
And a pay me to but me try a crime is Miss Banka Chris to do the Namka crap.
Maybe I can cry Chichuya.
My
Francis walk around the attitude to be the get to test what okay, back 18 years ago, back in Ghana, you take a kind na anyway, you take life kaka in Ghana.
Yeah, okay. Now me na in our health center, so now you one nurses flat, so Cape Coast nurses flats now. It's not like we were moving from flat to flat.
Okay,
exactly.
Okay.
Now me call school Montessori, me call Bucketry, me na me call SS, then I went to social welfare. And one na me na me ba, me na me ba.
Oh, naturally, when you working experience behind you in Ghana, some I see. You're just Switzerland. Echo Raho, not the Ohana, Ekado, at Abuchi. Echo Raho, can be China.
Experience for me not are different. It's like everything was different. In the beginning, noise and even the language plus the food plus behaving in some for me in Sukrampo noise and the mono. Having to adjust all that wasn't easy. Plus, or there education or there school, so it wasn't easy at all.
Wow. Nti eko start language school na dem because e ka language nti e dey ko kusua won kasa no.
Then I did exactly.
E men kasa no work or
yeah, German. Actually, there were 4 languages. So, but I'm more German, make German.
Oh, okay, German. Nti na chere ko German embre
Embre, exactly.
Oh, okay, I see. Yan hwe eko school ho every school eko uni level another.
We nursing course and we in manfa ejuma do na minya aviation course bisa. Now, one na me pay. So I started doing that, and now I work at the Zurich airport.
And since I am on a land, bro.
One bread. What will be a Becky Crystal be you?
That's how a gangster then, spiritual gangster. Oh, I see, nice one. But into that, Ekoye nurse in the feed and find you another pet, but Ekoye. A waste of time.
No, yaza, me muko room na mu there. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy that I thought. So, mini aviation kwana, it was something that I thought I've moved to my.
Oh, I see, nice one.
Now is not a problem about that.
Oh, okay. Oh, there, I know. Woko school, you know, we are in my 7 hours and now we school aviation, no demand that go straight and then.
Not the go straight. I had no it's language in because it took some time to understand a language in verity. And for me, the most important thing, it's language now. It's like everywhere you go, then you are good to go.
Oh, I see. And then Ghana for so I'm trying to enjoy sir. Yeah, why na BBA school for my juma you almost shell munte and I'm especially man. Also we struggle be and juma day. Just get back straight, no stress.
Exactly.
But I just pay me now. Just only maybe so I just a boss me person you shell munte.
That is it. And on to them.
Charlie. Okay, fast forward into aviation. Can be China? Aviation, Eduman, how many years?
Almost been for about 10 years.
Wow, actually, we need to know popular or no. It's can be China. What man about the
Oh, more why the Swiss foreign office, so Swiss airline, but he's on your airline general. Into my office, I take care of the ticketing center and everything concerning the ticket if you have any problems and stuff like that.
Oh, I see. Yeah, Switzerland, Honda, Crown more today because me there, me there. If the devil bawana to 241, matter restriction and security, and never be a tight or can be chair about Crown and say.
I had the security in a tight, but then and then. Maybe I'm first, maybe I'm a cutting a day. Now I was the only black person there. So, it was for even Ghana community, but I'm not part of it. But then, yeah, it was for
that's a quiet first. That's a quiet first black. I'm not. Then.
It wasn't. There are a lot of faced a lot of racism. That was the first time I'm a lot of like racism. Like no one can like I've never experienced that before. Or what number real racism. So even I thought that I'm here be simple. So just imagine or be or being something.
No, what can we man? What can we be chawana then?
That is it. That's I want to experience. Mara when them against the Ghana Mekasha Hill was snoom na mukobo fum. Inti mukobo my name, so let me use the crotchet into na training. Then immediately I sat down and laid in the shirt the way you saw from the Bible story for me and like I felt that day I felt so But now it's not no cran answer. I'm be doma ma brem should be mizum bag at na mazum na na. Into some it's now
Still aware.
oh still they do it. Still they do it. So it's made me it's me toughest like Nancy. I don't even me sure one I don't even realize that is going on, you know. But in the beginning you hear was like hey yeah right was not doing him fenny crow about it's like that, yeah. But then you get used to it, and also if you integrate, it's like oh you're cool crap.
Wow. I kind of Ghanaian community on our encounter group no way bad.
Man, let me decide because me care them a bit first and one young could be then she went through a whole lot. So for me and meeting the story and I was like, no me I don't want to be bad.
That's a community they all for knowing each other, baby by
That drama and the door so that drama and the door so it was like a whole lot of drama. I'm then no our bruni Oko community watch your boy man then work a catch your bruni. It was a whole lot of drama.
Hey.
But say now and I'm so them community.
Other one but together I don't know what they separation what they do.
And so for me, there is nothing for me. So
okay, if this are no padisi abrofo.
if I didn't see a bro,
Spiritual gangster. Everybody says a spiritual gangster.
actually, I'm a brander. It's like I me a t-shirt. It's a whole lot of me turn lingerie now. This so it's like my brand. I do.
Oh, spiritual gangster. Me would have one that's a gangster tattoo no me bon.
Oh, mumu, that is the vibe, you know.
Am I into that tattoo me bon them?
Actually, me care them a bit and me shas them really, but then and me na baby as I said baby I'm one now bro from kutim say boy you be home no or a camera woman so no so me tattoo no I'm only feel like who much black girls they have tattoos. So but like double check my picture then she's got and I'm like why not? If somebody tattoo never chum picture now they check why not? And so she said the picture then she was paying me so I'm like okay. So damn it person pass me pay.
Oh, dema. Hey, I mean wanna why tattoo one work there or addictive.
Oh yeah.
Emma more na dey.
Yeah, because went okay, how you playing? More than a moment back on square. Never realizing that like your whole body is like
That why you know
moon to man can.
hey, uncomfortable. There, 13, 20, 15. I am the way.
Really nice cover. Plus make you plus now.
But bad no am on. I on fake na. Oh then bad no.
For me, as I said, and it's like it's a whole lot. Some of them are spiritual, some of them are just for art, some of them find they are it's something you take to your grave, you know, something you appreciate, something you love.
What the meaning one?
Missing bebre meaning or bebre so doesn't make sense. Bebre so
okay. It's more meaning we can be chatting.
Oh, and mature business in the crowd, the number one. I was in a relationship for 9 years. Mature mom, pattern is it. Me ni jaya na mezano matodo. Mezano matodo fast. Ever since mature me. What up todo crap? Mezano ma well.
And you jaya na no matodo.
Great, but ever since mature is in Bia, I mean like me new using some Bia. Like
wow. Now your echo relationship be a
but
oh beautiful woman day. I mean be for
Bibi nam pipeline ni mu.
Bibi nam pipeline na no pipe on man
Mana no name my yes.
Mana no name. Okay, fantastic. Na ka de mana no name you oye also Switzerland na also Ghana.
Man kan as I didn't say that corner.
Spiritual gangster.
Okay, Ghana.
Ghana, oh fantastic. Now you could have
don't know why style be one there DJ Abiu styles and then it's my
I'm better than 2 minutes.
I was in a relationship. Also, it was also a distant thing. I was in a relationship for 9 years and EJY.
Yes, let me say about relationship 9 years. On your easy, at now, any baby will offer for 9 years. Now 9 years is just enough more na. Oba there, no, you also Ghana.
And no, so that is the thing. Muhu there, none so Ghana, but then and Muhu there it wasn't really.
But Nibo, am I into the any of your relationship on Ghana for 9 years outside on what? So more
yeah, we go yes, why not? Yes, more times.
You also about Switzerland or
yeah, like on be like mobile like.
Yeah, about long distance relationship.
I think if saying because me a lot of long distance relationship, it worked out. I don't know how they did, but then it's worked out. But then yes, it's not easy, you know. Both parties they've decided that this is what I want. This is our goal. This is what we want to achieve together. This is what we want to do. But then, if so, you're one-sided, then on ye juma.
Now, I want one there about Ghana.
Oh my own.
Memo, and a baby soon you're not doing the job better now until then.
Say if that is the case, but I'm not going to plan some the later on. I will try and move to Ghana for some time. Yeah, because no more projects are crying and pay the margin, more margin I want to do, you
know. No, I see. Okay, Akaza, and shout out to Oga.
Pipeline.
Oga pipeline. All more points.
I say,
man, all more points are.
Don't in America, don't shut down. It's a pipeline and shut down. It's like, yeah.
Oh, I see. Nice one. But can you share about hustling in Switzerland? No, easy there. We bet about Bahama. Maybe or bet me make any way now. Ain't maybe about home because matter the World Bank or until this was maybe and their cameras now. They also we have then. I mean, say maybe about Switzerland.
Yeah, once as you said, the security here very tight. One thing about it is other countries I met to the what you be humanize. I don't know how to do it, but here it's so be a bizarre not then you can gangster number man, but then I don't worry you would like. But I'm there in won't control me because I integrated very fast. There a lot of iron African communities nearby. You integrate it fast. You try and join the community and the community so work Ghana language where you so what's one is ban where you want like they do integrate. So even what's a trade they talking loud on the phone and stuff like that. So police knew but the first thing all talking loud, you know. I'm the Minamiyama police in Kadosha me paper that I had something. Because of when once I think they won't racism no woman won't back now. Straight to baby soul paper. Straight away.
Wow.
Yeah. Until you bizarre no chance. Not today she fears of him. She fears of him, but then because no minimum one Congo lady be or you material what's in a fear or what on pong when you know we're not on him or womb bear 3. I work no one will fear no new papers. So everything she did it with her Congo community. So and it's working.
Now one from the few days begins and no to cover and be to me call to man and cat and be.
They didn't be fun of when you pick when you they were hiding. So it's like
and being in the paper not be some no. I'm talking for man once again.
They said so on your paper, that is the problem. Both of them know on your paper. That was nice, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, anyway, so that's Ghana.
Oh, every year, yeah.
It's the last year Ghana.
Ghana 2 times per annum.
Oh, I see. And bonus in the pipeline means in put the Ghana.
No. Maximum from Ghana, more from 20. I'm sure one Ghana, so I have more film about Ghana.
Oh, well, I'm from 20.
In your,
I do. I show one.
I'm sure you're on your mommy biological.
Na, I understand the number, production number, yeah.
A pipeline.
Baby, pipeline, spiritual gangster, the pipeline. So, I need to mark out the pipeline.
Professor comments back.
Ghana Kabana, may know what I was paying. The pipeline, pal. Okay, I was home for 18 years. I'm going to be pedal to Kwan Babruchi, you to the pedal Babruchi, Nazi. A bit my advice one day. Switzerland, oh yeah, a bit my bawa. And I pedal about so I means to bit me about the Jumana school and I go know the other countries. Well, short workers, Nazi, or Jay, mentally be there free one way.
So the last Miss McCann, watch the one pa, but then saying ya queen yana say baba or Benijuma side there. I think Europe we are one of the good people out here young it compared to other countries, or even let's say compared to our neighboring country like Germany. Or you would say much better than Germany. So in your queen yana say Europe na say what papers are, I would advise you to come to Switzerland. Although on yesterday, the way yesterday Germany day and you have a lot of African people, you can party with a lot of African people here, and it's all about work. Where you are really determined that and they bring you.
Martin, so one cost of living soon be yet.
That is it, or you expense, but then compared to the what you get, I think it's worth it. Well, maybe Martin was I'm on your margin.
Oh, it's all cool with the system. Because Martin, but what's with your one day count and the never be other be at then.
That account is like I have a whole apartment, Marto. So it's like
oh, I have it's not to feel
that is it, you know.
Buying property or outside, you know. And now the young Ghana for me be to connect is done you fee quick. Rather than maybe I invest in will be no. I'll buying property or no feed the wabawa. And we are.
So many because I mean one thing the number mammy and now you made that dream to me see fear my mammy wagani riana. Here was my next because at all say me feel there urban demons now because my imagine them pay me see home like children's home like for orphanage wagana. So urban and then I move I can still give here for rent, then I'll still take money here as I'm in Ghana in the form of. So and also then as I said, insurance and stuff like we just pay your utility bills, electricity bills and stuff like that. And
wow. Apart from Ghana and other countries you'll be going to Naga.
Lot. And that keeps me going because even the much stress now and that keeps me going, yeah.
Oh, them are countries man alcohol.
Oh, a lot. Say like European countries in Marco baby, Asia countries in Marco, Singapore, Marco, Thailand, Marco, like a lot.
European countries and call more Thai.
Malta's more quite, that is true.
I don't know my place, water. I'm sure when you man then call water.
Interesting. I'm not sure much and I'm out though.
Enko, you almost water, you when you walk water. Okay, countries as our economy aside Switzerland and I feel the Charlie country and I'm also more every day easy. With Bonko.
I mean, American and come on Las Vegas, but then make sure also dinner Makatina one. Bobra. Damina moving.
I'm not that because of gangster movement.
Too much. town na hobby bia ne ne de no mukwa mukwa mumbobra
I'm on the service in the media. I don't know question you.
exact ehulina
Getting about chilling. Chilling and morning. My country now, every country now come a video, Charlie. Who expectation there? One year there.
Italy back at the
Italy for baby online. Bad in I say on there.
I don't know, but then I didn't like it. So the reason why, but I didn't like it.
Is it like the hosting now? I check okay, and we no host too, and I call hotel now.
Muko Hotel, yeah.
Imagine they call Chromo. I expect to be
One time you call one then one time be was like in Morgan and I'm Italy because some of the do focus yeah, broaching number one now there Ghana. You know what I was like, okay. One of them were Ghana.
Italy for me, why? Italy for me.
Not to baby, she amazing. Baby looks like, but it's not for me. Somewhere I'm here.
Wow. Nice one. Imagine I catch him. About Ghana, so I say about Ghana every year. Naturally, Ghana is the way.
Yeah, I'm not making them one more from one, so it's like Ghana, yeah, though.
About Ghana.
Oh, it's like your family that is even the most important thing because all my family is so just to be with them, it's luxurious.
But then, I say about Ghana. It's about me if you there. Yes, sir. I better than yes, sir.
Ghana, I think it will always be the same, you know. But until maybe we get somebody, I think maybe we need a youthful person, you know. He'll be at least for her own say. You understand? But me feel the boy hand there and go cross from why old timers, you know. One way. Exactly. When you more could do inside, you know, but then if it's a young, me feel that if it's a young person to move back position move there or bobwa because of one who like the struggles and everything. That is what I feel or I think. Like Switzerland here also like we have like 7 people are warrior president in tea. Just imagine 7 people in the country. There's no kululu anywhere, you know, everything is transparent. So
One way 7
yeah.
Then.
Like presidents and 7 people in the whole rule the country. Now yet today, Akufo-Addo, Akufo-Addo, Mahama, 7 people. So with that, and I think
I want friend head.
So for the whole Switzerland, and in fact, Akufo-Addo the whole Ghana and 7 years, you know, 7 people will rule the country. So it's like
oh
yeah.
And the first time I met the body. So when you one person is 70, and I tell that, hey, anyway, strong.
Exactly. So if it makes you into me 7.3, I think say if you're not your phone part, so 2 year could at least one person be correct. That is what I think.
If you elect for one person, you know about 4 people or be presidents.
Exactly. I think that it may be, you know, if you try it then because so when now you're correct at least you. Yeah.
Wow. I see, nice one. Hey, so I'm a pass through me show. Imagine I walk last words. Shout out to be in life. I guess so. Oh, regrets maybe in then.
Oh, regrets. I don't regret anything. It's like Obi Obama Brabumbia. It was helpful to me, even at all. Obi Mpa meaning years and I don't meet them the person and no more and a baby damn. It's always something. I'm wishing a baby free. I always learn something that made me who I am today. So I'm a regret to say. Shut down because I'm always grateful for anybody that comes. Now I feel that everybody comes to your life for a purpose. Nowadays you share for purpose. So I don't punk so I don't think that I'm the regret.
Nice one, nice one. One of them more shout outs now that.
Yeah. Michelle Bia.
Na enche pipeline ah.
Pipeline Bobry and can be with you.
Sawakoto, nice one from Sawakoto, straight from Switzerland. Over pass it through SBTV. I forgot make coming by force fancy 2x4 fancy, but in yeah, well I say, and just showing that. Oh, my okay, please, baby. Oh, my okay, please. Say you create donation last your foundation when they're supporting him. Match you. SBTV have got a coach and go phone tag and I'm going to scan as and go support him.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so you need to support us. Bring the cash, man. Bring the Switzerland cash, dollars, man. The euro, man. Spiritual monster, aka pipeline.
Hey, is it now one aka pipeline? Yeah.
Charlie, maybe I said never pass it through me, show right.
That's baby.
Guys, Charlie, nice one with Sawakoto straight from Switzerland. Muti historic Accra. If I'm DJ Nyame, also person Basubia. A platform they open. My number is the screen is so nobody me WhatsApp 0244 7909002 and 0240677898. Subscribe to your channel for more. Madam Production team I say DJ Quick Sharon. Tina D, go subscribe it. Makram, Usha Mukru Makase Tua. No, just 2 so 2 Makram.